Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" When pigs fly. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Let me tell you a story. Imagine a farmer who promises his son a pet pig if he gets straight A's. He told him when pigs fly. The son works hard and gets the grades, but the farmer never keeps his promise. This is an example of a misunderstanding of the idiom "when pigs fly." The idiom "when pigs fly" means that something is impossible or unlikely to happen. To remember the meaning, think of a pig with wings flying in the sky. It's a ridiculous image, and that's the point. Once, my boss said she'd give me a raise when pigs fly. I knew it was just an expression, and she didn't mean it literally. When pigs fly, I'll quit my job and travel the world. This means that I'm unlikely to quit my job and travel the world anytime soon. Fun facts about when pigs fly. 1. The idiom dates back to the 1600s. 2. It's used in many languages around the world. 3. There's a children's book called "When Pigs Fly." 4. There's a festival in Ohio called "When Pigs Fly." 5. There's a song by Aerosmith called "When Pigs Fly." When my friend said he'd start exercising when pigs fly, I knew he wasn't serious. This means that my friend is unlikely to start exercising anytime soon. When pigs fly, I'll dance on the moon. I'll dance on the moon when pigs fly. It's impossible for me to dance on the moon. A friend of mine said he'd start studying when pigs fly. A few months later, he started studying and got an A in his exam. He said he did it because he wanted to prove that pigs can fly. This is an example of the impact and effectiveness of the idiom. Similar expressions include: 1. When hell freezes over. 2. When the cows come home. 3. When the sun rises in the west. These all mean that something is unlikely to happen. The opposite expression is 1. In the blink of an eye. This means that something happens very quickly. Related idioms that English learners should know include: 1. The ball is in your court. 2. Break a leg. 3. Piece of cake. These are commonly used in everyday conversation. Let me tell you a story. Imagine a farmer who promises his son a pet pig if he gets straight A's. One day, the farmer wakes up to find a pig with wings flying in the sky. The farmer keeps his promise, and the son gets his pet pig. This is an example of the related idiom "when pigs have wings." Quiz time. What does the idiom "when pigs fly" mean? A. Something is possible. B. Something is impossible. C. Something is easy to do. Answer B. In summary, when pigs fly means that something is impossible or unlikely to happen. Remember the pig with wings to help you remember the meaning. Use the idiom in context to improve your English skills. And don't forget to share your story with the idiom in the comments.